Today, let's talk about something incredibly important for your overall health, vitamin A. We'll go over what it does for your body, what happens when you're deficient in it, and how to naturally fix that deficiency through your diet and lifestyle. Vitamin A plays a much bigger role in your health than most people realize. It's not just about your eyes or your skin. It's connected to your immunity, your digestion, your energy, and even how your cells repair and function. Now, vitamins come in many different types, and they can be grouped based on how they dissolve in your body. Some are water-soluble, meaning they dissolve in water, and some are fat-soluble, meaning they dissolve in fat. Water-soluble vitamins, like vitamin C and most of the B vitamins, can't be stored in the body for long. Your system flushes them out through urine, so you need to replenish them daily. That's why their effects are short-term. But fat-soluble vitamins, like A, D, E, and K, work differently. They're stored in your body's fatty tissues and liver, which means they stick around longer and have a deeper, more lasting impact on your health. Vitamin A, being fat-soluble, doesn't just float around in your blood. It actually travels into the fatty layers of your cells, where it can influence some of your body's most essential functions. The walls of your cells are made of fat-based membranes, so only fat-soluble vitamins can cross those barriers and reach the inner parts of the cell, including the DNA. Once inside, vitamin A helps regulate how your cells grow, divide, and repair themselves. But when your body doesn't get enough vitamin A, it starts to show, sometimes in ways people completely overlook. A deficiency in vitamin A can alter the DNA inside your cells and affect the way new cells are produced. Over time, that leads to visible changes in your skin and eyes. You might notice rough, dry, or flaky skin that just doesn't seem to heal, no matter how much moisturizer you use. Sometimes small rough bumps or pits start appearing around the roots of your hair. That's actually a sign your skin cells aren't regenerating properly. One of the earliest and most common warning signs is night blindness. You might be driving at night or walking into a dimly lit room and suddenly realize you can't see clearly, that your eyes aren't adjusting to the dark as fast as they should. That's a classic symptom of vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A also plays a critical role in keeping your eyes moist and lubricated. It helps produce the fluids that keep your eyeballs moving smoothly. Without it, your eyes can start feeling dry, irritated, or gritty, like there's sand in them. Over time, this dryness doesn't just cause discomfort, it can actually damage the surface of your eyes and lead to vision problems. Beyond your eyes, a vitamin A deficiency can make your skin, lips, and even your throat feel dry all the time, but the effects go even further. Low vitamin A levels can trigger sinus issues. You might feel like your nose is always stuffed, runny, or inflamed. Many people even start snoring or develop breathing problems during sleep because their nasal passages swell up. In more serious cases, vitamin A deficiency can contribute to lung inflammation and make your immune system weaker. That means your body has a harder time fighting off infections like colds, flu, or bronchitis. So if you find yourself getting sick frequently, this could be part of the reason why. Now here's something most people don't realize. You don't actually get active vitamin A directly from plant-based foods like carrots, spinach, or sweet potatoes. These foods contain beta-carotene, which is a precursor, basically an inactive form of vitamin A. Your body has to convert beta-carotene into retinol, which is the active, usable form. But that conversion process is not very efficient. On average, your body only converts about 3% of the beta-carotene you eat into usable vitamin A. Sometimes it's even less, depending on your metabolism, liver health, and diet. So while carrots and sweet potatoes are healthy, relying on them alone won't give you enough vitamin A to meet your body's needs. The real, active form of vitamin A, the one your body can actually use, comes from animal-based foods. You'll find it in butter, egg yolks, liver, cheese, and full-fat dairy products. These sources provide preformed vitamin A, or retinol, which your body absorbs and uses immediately. If you follow a plant-based or vegan diet, that doesn't mean you can't get vitamin A, but it does mean you have to be much more careful and intentional about where it comes from. If you're deficient in vitamin A, there are usually two main reasons. Either you're not eating enough of these foods, or your body isn't absorbing them properly. Absorption issues are often linked to your digestive system. If your gut isn't healthy, or if you've taken too many antibiotics in the past, your liver might not be producing enough bile. And that's a big problem because bile is essential for breaking down fats. Without enough bile, your body can't absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. So even if you're eating the right foods, your system can't extract what it needs. Bile acts like a natural emulsifier. It breaks down the fats you eat into smaller molecules, making it easier for your intestines to absorb them. If your liver is sluggish or bile production is low, your body will struggle to absorb these nutrients, leading to chronic deficiencies and fatigue. This is one reason why people who've had gallbladder issues, liver problems, or long-term digestive issues often end up with low vitamin A levels. If you suspect you might be low in vitamin A, it's worth getting tested. But even before that, you can start paying attention to your diet and your symptoms. If your skin feels dry, your eyes are tired, or you find it hard to see clearly at night, it might be your body's way of asking for more of this essential nutrient. Including a mix of healthy fats and natural sources of vitamin A in your meals can make a huge difference. I hope this helped clear up some of the confusion around vitamin A, what it does, why it matters, and where you can actually get it from. Take good care of yourself, keep your diet balanced, and remember, your body can only perform as well as the nutrients you feed it. I'll see you in the next video.